Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're eager to uncover what's working for top dropshipping stores on Shopify, and you want to peek into your competitors' secrets, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to spy on any Shopify-powered store using a clever online tool and learn which products are driving their success. By the end, you'll be equipped to analyze, adapt, and level up your own dropshipping game. All right, let's dive in. We'll start by heading over to a website called miep.ms. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's a free resource that's incredibly useful for discovering information about websites, including who's hosting them, and of course, which ones are running on Shopify. Once you're on the home page, look up at the top navigation bar and click on Websites. This tells miep.ms you're interested in exploring actual site databases, not just IP addresses. Next, within the Websites section, you'll find a submenu called World Websites Databases. Go ahead and click that. It may seem technical, but think of this as your master key to a huge vault of online information. Now, we want to filter down to stores that use Shopify. For that, you'll see an option called IP Owner Parent IP Owner Hosting. When you click there, you're given a list of major hosting providers and platforms. In the search box, type Shopify Inc. This singles out thousands of live sites running on Shopify's servers. At this stage, miep.ms will pull up a database containing countless Shopify stores. But browsing all of them isn't practical, so let's focus. Imagine you're interested in pet products. Maybe you want to start your own pet dropshipping store, or simply see what's trending in that niche. In the website name field, type Pets. This narrows it right down to stores related to your target market. Here's where things get interesting. The database will show you a ranked list of pet-related Shopify stores. Pick the top store, as this is likely to be dominating the niche or has at least gained attention for some reason. Click on the store's name to visit their site and, just like a detective exploring clues, start inspecting what you see. Take your time here. This step is about analyzing, not just clicking around. What makes their site appealing? Look for layout, branding, how they display products, and what kind of promotions they run. Are there any pop-ups encouraging signups or offering discounts? Make note of details that catch your eye because these often drive conversions. For example, if you spot a simple checkout flow, that's a sign they're minimizing friction for customers. Don't forget, you can also check out their social media links, read product reviews, or even see if they have a blog giving more clues about their content strategy. The goal here is to soak up as much info as possible about why this store might be successful. If you get stuck or something isn't loading, don't sweat it. Just reload the page or try another top site from the list. Now that you've surveyed the site, focus on identifying their number one product. Usually this will be featured front and center, perhaps in a hero image or highlighted as a bestseller. You can also check categories like most popular or featured products. The top product is crucial because it often represents the backbone of their business, the item getting the most traffic and sales. If you're planning to compete, understanding what's working for them is like seeing into the mind of your biggest rival. That's pretty much the process. By the end, you'll have solid intel, and maybe even ideas you can implement in your own store. Remember, the point isn't just to copy, but to learn, adapt, and discover what's resonating in your market. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or want tips for other niches, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And for more deep dive tutorials on Shopify, dropshipping, and smart online business tactics, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.